Hello guys, this is Bippan Agnihotri and today I am unboxing Lenovo Vibe K5 and it's sold in India by Amazon online for 6999 in rupee. It is buzzed phone and here I gave you a basic idea about the specification. This one comes Snapdragon octa-core processor, 8 chipset. We also have Dolby Atom speaker. It's interesting phone. So I unboxing the box. I got this golden version is looking good and we get the screen guard inside the box. This is the handset without the battery. It's very light. Okay, let's see what do we get inside this box. This is a starting guide and this is a battery. It's a 2750 mAh battery and this is a USB cable and wall charger, so there is no headphone inside this box. It's a Lenovo brand set charger. So let's look the headset now, and this is a headset. And I remove the back cover now. Okay, now I have a proper dual SIM slot and also have a microSD slot, so you can upgrade the storage. It's nice. Let's pop in battery. This is a battery. Yeah, this phone comes 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel primary camera. And moving to the top, this is 3.5 mm jack and also USB slot for charging. So I power up the phone. This Lenovo Vibe K5 have Qualcomm Snapdragon 415 8-core chipset. Moving to the GPU, it has the Adreno 450 GPU. It comes with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal memory. It also have dedicated microSD slot. It has 5-inch 720p screen. It's taking some time to start up. Yeah, starting the device. Yeah, now device is starting up. So now it has a smooth touch. Let's go to the setting. Yeah, setting, about phone, device information. Yeah, it's Android version of 5.1.1. That's great. Yeah, CPU is 8-core 1.4 gigahertz. Wow, and touch is very smooth. Screen quality is fine regarding the price point. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is Bippan Agnihotri. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel for updates. Thanks.